So we originally started the process last school year, and we created the recipe from scratch, and then we had to do multiple taste testings and tweaking of the recipe. We had to hit an 85% acceptability factor, which we did with these Harvest hash browns, and that took our recipe onto the next level of the USDA, which they required the 85%. So what's going to happen from here is it's going to go into the USDA recipe database for the entire school lunch program to be able to utilize this and serve it to their kids.
So good! I love that. They're a little spicy, but it's okay.
Did you like it too?
Yes. It's so good.
So today we're at Sellersville Elementary doing our phase 3 of our recipe grant, which is actually serving our Harvest hash browns on the menu with the school lunch today. So we're having the kids come through. We are collecting feedback to see what their thoughts are. Did they like it? Did they love it? Or not so much for them?
I'm gonna dump these out after. Yeah, dump them.
Oh, yes.
Imagine if you were like your emu.
All right, let's see it.
Do we have to finish them or can we just take them?
You can
Yes.
take them out and put them on your regular tray. That would be great.
Make sure you don't get tricked. Loved it, liked it, not for me.
Oh. Lots of love.
Guys, I love it. You liked it. That's still good.
So I'm so proud to have started this process from the beginning and to be able to say that Pennridge School District came up with this recipe, and it's a scratch recipe that we're making in-house. And I'm sure you've seen, because you've been walking around videotaping, the kids actually like it because the product is delicious and it's very little ingredients. And I'm sure that the kids wouldn't really know that there is spaghetti squash